Hey, how's it going? Do you want some free for only $1 to $5 per month? Well, hit that join button down below, and if that is not for you, the Patreon link will be in the description.
Whoa, wait a second. That's not free.
Well, let's not get too technical. We do offer a free Discord for everybody. Today's video sponsor is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online video platform for creative and curious people. They offer video courses broken down into basic segments to cover every step of the creative process. For example, I took the course by Nicholas Brandon, who simplifies and explains what each component of a computer is used for and how they all function together to create a working PC. A really well thought out course for beginners. Another course was Eric Alienokov's Adobe Premiere Cinematic Editing Tutorial, where I learned so many shortcuts to improving my own video editing workflow. Now, Skillshare offer a number of topics including illustration, design, photography, video technology, and more. So if you do like a class, remember to save it to your profile so you can find it later in your saved classes tab. By signing up to Skillshare, you have two payment options. 20 Australian dollars billed monthly or $11.75 Australian billed monthly for a yearly plan. But check this out. By going for the value plan, you get access to so many discounts. Premiere Pro is $29.99 Australian per month. And by taking the 20% discount, you get $6 off per month, which pretty much cuts the price of Skillshare in half. And if you use multiple coupons, you could actually end up saving more than the full cost of Skillshare itself. Free money. I don't think anyone is complaining about that. So what are you waiting for? Click that link in the description below for your first 2 months of Skillshare completely free. And between you and me, if you were smart about it, you could use their Recruit a Friend program to keep Skillshare completely free for yourself forever. So once again, link is in the description. Hope you all enjoy the video. My country is on fire and it needs our help. Nobody seems to understand how serious this really is. To put things into perspective, the California fires burnt 2 million acres of land. The Amazon fires, 2.2 million acres. And the Australian bushfires, well over 25.5 million acres, and it is still burning. Over 1 billion native Australian animals have been killed in the bushfires, and this is going to continue even after the fires are put out due to starvation, predators, and dehydration. We have put together a donation link. It is a GoFundMe in the description. We would appreciate all of your guys' help. This is to aid all of the animals in care and also still out there injured in the bushfires. When you donate, please do leave a comment, because for every $5 you'll be given one giveaway entry. We have 3 prize packs which will be in the pool, so for every $5 you will get 1 entry. We will be donating $1,000 ourselves to help the cause, and we will also be putting this very PC in this video up for a worldwide auction, and all of the proceeds from that will be going straight towards the good cause as well. I will leave the link for the auction in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing this PC. Please do your part, and if financial support is out of your reach, then please consider sharing this video. Also, by watching the video in full, you are contributing to the overall watch time, which means YouTube promotes the video more as well. It helps get this out to more people, and therefore we can raise more awareness and more money for the donations. Give generously if you can. Link will be in the description. A massive thank you to Aorus, Nvidia, and Aerocool. Without these guys, this would not be possible.